upside down ring for rear. Took photos on it. This is how it was installed. Put the rings to the chin for now.
You get filmed.
All rings are not 180.
We're doing different videos here. These are my videos, not your videos.
These are personal Tatro videos where he has to fix other people's fucking
dumbass out there.
dumb mistakes.
These are the videos for Tatro's OnlyFans.
Yeah. For his long
tonight.
trip. So what was the pool?
I'm out.
What was it? 300 miles, 400 miles?
I don't know. You have to find out. Top secret.
Well, you and your guys had a pool?
Yeah, to see how long my engine would last. But good thing for me,
Technically, the engine's fine.
the engine is fine.
Are you like part of a weird secret relationship?
He is.
You hang out with a bunch of dudes and you all wear robes and fucking knuckleheads and pants and shit?
Hey, quit screwing.
What is that?
He said, "Quit screwing."
That means I'm getting to the truth. That's what that means.
There it
You're
is.
answering questions you don't.
I'm going to a zone you don't come back from.
What's a
Don't ask
kickstand?
about the Illuminati.
Those eyeballs, fucking.
That's
those bodies.
That's when you sleep under Tatro's house, under the basement and everything. He knew too much. How did he know? I'm just kidding, Tatro. I was just kidding.
He's gonna send his gremlins into your engine.
Torture me for 10 hours. How did you know?
10 hours, that's it. Call it.
All right, so you zip off all but two.
What did I do?
You zipped off all but two.
What else did I do?
You left two on there.
How far?
Almost off.
Almost off. No!
Zip me, daddy.
Look at that, with the smack. You can't pat it, you have to smack it like that.
I've had a lot of practice.
Smack it up.
You gotta smack it a little bit.
Give a little tap.
What did Tatro say earlier? I'm not special, I'm exclusive.
What do you need?
He said that
Big
earlier.
guy?
It sounded like some from a fucking rap song or some shit. Tatro's got that tattooed as like a tramp stamp right here.
Yeah.
I'm not special, I'm exclusive. Exclusive.
You're gonna have so many views, it's gonna be insane.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna make you viral. More viral than COVID.
We already got
Carl's gonna
virus.
give you a virus.
We already got virus going on right here. Fucking cloning.
Tell me more.
Cloning assholes.
More biker losers just keep showing up.
More dumbasses keep showing up.
Now they're coming from out of state.
They always have. Either that or Switzerland.
You always do.
They win. They always do.
Tatro's next video.
You don't even blink.
Older gentleman trains 3 younger bikers. He gets a bunch of hits and he doesn't know why. That was beautiful.
That was hot.
I know. It's so satisfying.
Older gentleman torques 3 young studs.
Stud puller. Oh, yeah.
You didn't pull the damn shoe off.
What?
You didn't pull the stupid tensioner off. Dumbass. What did you do that in there for?
Sounds like a personal problem.
Yeah, I kept the thing from coming out. Damn, size bolt to get in there. See,
Oh, you got it dirty!
Look at that down there. You go kick the kicker over there for me. Perfect.
You told me to kick it. You didn't tell me when to stop.
Look at that bushing. Look at he did that bushing in there. A lot of lubrication on that thing.
Never wanna.
Shoot that thing all the hell.
You don't wanna have dry lube on your fucking bushings.
Come here not neutral.
What?
Come here not neutral.
Because that's when the fucking thing broke.
Hey, quit yelling at me.
Sorry. Sorry for swearing, YouTube land.
Dumbass.
Fucking goddamn snowflakes out there, liberal media, making a farce out of hard-working, blue-collared men.
YouTube's gonna ban me again.
Utah.
Goddamn YouTubes.
What the damn you?
The goddamn Google box is saying the F word again.
Where's that other socket? No, 3/16. Why you got my new sockets out here? Put the new ones back.
You just gave it to me.
I didn't give you that one.
Jesus.
Dumbass.
It literally just came off the zip gun.
Give me a 3/16.
It's over there.
No.
Look at it. I'm pointing at it.
What?
Right there.
What?
Right there.
Putting all kinds of crap down like a trail.
We're gonna need this for later. Why are you telling me to put it away?
Put it back. You're using the wrong tools. Dumbass. Figure it out.
My dog's great.
How come you didn't pull the other half of the bike out yet to get the trap door off?
What do you need?
How come the other half of the bike's not apart yet?
Why would the other half of the bike?
My socket, 1 3/16. That's not a 1 3/16. That's a piece of crap. Can.
What 3/16s?
It's a can you pissed in while you're drinking.
3/16s what? 13/16s?
1 3/16. Get over there. Sockets. You're gonna make me get up. You know you like it.
Daddy, be nice.
He's picking
Now
on me
Tatro's
again.
up.
He's picking on me again.
I got 3/8,
Dumbass. Go to the right.
1/4.
3 positions.
I only know one position, Daddy. 5/16s.
Dumbass.
He broke
There's
Tatro.
no 3/16s over here, muchacho.
Went over there somewhere.
I have the right.
You just broke a socket? Or is that it right there?
Obviously.
Good stuff.
It works on film, too.
Starting at
Walker screwed up my ratchet. Okay, what's the other one there? I know there's 4.
Tatro, is that the 316 right there?
What? I don't see one.
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Did you find it?
No, it's over here.
No, it isn't.
You got it?
It should be over here.
Where's
One
that?
3/16.
Where?
It's not on the bench.
On the bucket.
It's not in the bench.
Okay. Probably right where you left it.
716.
He's making me get up
He's gonna find it in like
Yeah.
All the way back behind 8 sorts of
Do not
fucking
specify.
gaskets.
You should have known it was that one.
if it wasn't with Ruby, it would have been with Ruby.
Flippity dabbity dabbity.
Get out of here, Skent.
Leave the tension slightly, but hold it. You can have it now.
Yo, that's some shit.
What?
Everything that just happened right there. That was way more complex than my shit. This shit's scary. This is how my Sportster is though, right? Basically the same premise.
Most probably.
Oh, yours is way newer though.
All 4
I know
speeds
it's way
are the
newer,
same.
but I mean it's still
All
same.
4 speeds are the same.
Well, no, my Sport is a 5-speed.
I don't know why you didn't take the rest of the damn motor apart, but until you take more parts out, it ain't gonna come apart.
What do you need to take apart? You want me to take the kicker off?
The other half of the bike needs to come out. You got half the gear set's not coming.
So what do you want me to do over
It's
here?
locked
then,
up in there. It's
muchacho?
not letting me pull it out. Pull the damn sprocket off over there.
Oh, you want me? Oh, fucking. It'd be cool if you told me these things. Oh, there we go. The kicker's out.
There you go.
There we go.
Transit.
So, this is all galled up in here, seized up. That's why
That was a fresh rebuild by Tatro.
That's why it won't come out of there.
The trans?
Yep.
Record show.
It's all screwed up in there, that's for sure. That's your used gear in there. So you put your finger in, you can feel it.
Ooh, I'll put my finger in there for sure.
It looks just like the
Just
rest of
pinky
these parts.
Oh my god.
Is it bad?
Yeah. It's threaded.
ribbed?
It's a fine thread.
And all that other metal came out of there, went into here, and chewed up this one. That's why this is all chewed
Wow.
up.
Yeah,
my
look.
bike's
Look,
even
look, look.
metal and shit.
I know, I saw it. What about it? That's breakfast.
That's not good, right?
Eat it, you
No. Oh, look. There you guys go.
Oh my god.
Talk
dude.
about chippies.
You know,
Fresh rebuild.
Fresh walker rebuild.
How did that even occur?
Rotate that.
Rotate this.
We have to get past the wizard, dude.
Those
I
bearings
need
are
the
still good.
signs. I need the full card facts.
Look at the fork he chewed up there already.
What do you mean already?
You're just destroying everything.
Well, maybe if you did it right the first time.
It's running fine when I gave it to you. You got the brass forks all screwed up. Look at that thing. Eating on that thing.
Don't fucking put a good one in there, champion.
Gnawing on that thing. Alright, so your main shaft needs to be buffed up a little bit.
Buff up that main
There's
shaft.
some other issues on the other side. I can feel it kind of rough. It's called up. It's got something in here. It's chewed up. You can't turn it because it's connected to the rear wheel. There's something under here. It's all galled up. And there's nothing inside of here to hit against because that's all. There's a gap like that between the bushing and bearing, and that's what the problem is.
So what do you think got eaten up?
Uh-oh.
Right there, that guy.
What?
You better be careful. You be in video around here and call a dumbass.
Huh?
Yep, that's right.
Just walked into that one.
At least that's still good. All right, clean all up. Need another high gear. Need to buff that machine, shaft off a little bit. I know we're gonna do about your bushing and your kicker. You gotta eat it all up. You have to work on that a little bit.
Let's just get a new one.
You good luck on that. It's hard to get new parts that are any good.
What's up with this?
It's fine. How's your low gear over there?
What?
You see low gear? Is that chewed up too?
Oh, it looks alright.
So
Do you have any fucking...
So they eliminate.
Do you have any hot rod gears that we can
So
throw
they
in?
eliminated bushings. No more bushings are allowed. They eliminated bushings.
I don't know.
Steel. No bushing. Well, you can't wear a bushing. You got one. That part's still good.
Talks all the shit on Ironheads. My shit seems.
All right. So you need one of these. You need to fix that or replace that. You need to deal with that.
What is the fastest
You need
repair?
to clean all this crap up. You need to shove it back together and get it out of here.
Okay.
I'll give you about 20 minutes.
If we can get this fixed in 20 minutes, I'd be pumped.
I didn't say we. I said you.